Mold stains? Remove them with lemon essential oil. Here's an alternative way to use a roll dispenser. Your microfiber cloths will stay neat and tidy and readily to hand. After use, wash them in the washing machine. Use these tips to clean your toaster perfectly. Using the toothbrush, you will be able to clean even hard-to-reach spots. Use straws to vacuum up all the crumbs. As good as new. To clean a whisk, don't do this. Like this, it's simpler and more effective. Glue residue? Use a rubber eraser. Perfectly clean. Rub a potato on them and your mirror will shine again. Wow! Finally, polish it with vinegar and a dry cloth. Try this tip to clean your blender without using detergent. Sparkling clean. Don't use the vacuum cleaner on mats. Scrub them with a body brush to remove all the dirt. Curtains too long? Use hangers to keep them off the floor. Much better. Here's a smart way to use an odd glove. Spray detergent on it to clean all your dirty surfaces. Handy and reusable. Want to recycle a wine bottle? Fill it with boiling water. You will be able to remove the label easily and recycle the bottle however you want. A great idea!